Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Crane at the Heart, and I'm here with a La La Land Crafts project share, and I'm really upset because one of the months in my La La Land craft subscription, which is this is not it, it was the bee theme, and I cannot find that package to save my life. So I really hope that it didn't go out the crash or something like that. So anyway, I'm like on the lookout to find that one, but I do have a cute bee girl that I thought that I would use for some projects. I was very bee inspired. So I used this La La Land Crafts Bumblebee Marcie as well as these hexagon dies. And so here are my projects. I have 2 of them. Also what I did was I really kind of experimented a bit with a hexagon or honeycomb, I think it's a honeycomb stencil from Sugar Pea Designs. So I made a whole bunch of backgrounds, and so you'll see some cards with those backgrounds. I used distress sprays. I used some glitter paste that I went ahead and I dyed with some yellow. And then what else did I use? Oh, I also just inked, like with a blending brush over the stencil. So this one is one that I used a spray. So I used a spray, and then what I did was I used my hexagon die to die cut frames. And so I used that distressed stenciled paper that I made in the background there. And then I have my cute little colored in girl. And then I used some bee, I don't even know what you call these. Not really sequins, are they? They come in a little, like a little thingy. It's like this one is just my craft rainbow. So similar idea to this, only they were little bees. This one's like little candies. So I actually just glued those onto the front of my card. I also glued some yellow and black sequins to kind of tie everything together, and I glittered her wings with the Nuvo glitter pen. And then this is the one that I took my glitter paste and I put it on my mat, and then I had some distress ink. So what I did was I just kind of smushed this distressed ink on my paper pad. I spritzed it with a tiny bit of water, and then I mixed it all together with my glitter paste, and then I did a glitter paste through the stencil. And so I love how it came out. And the thing about the glitter is it's like totally dried and on there. So it's not coming off. So it's great. So I used the largest hexagon, I think the largest hexagon in there to cut out my mat. I use that as a mat for my Marcie. And then I also use the bees. I put one in her hair, and then I have a bee in a couple places. And then I used a couple of sequins. So, and then that happy die is from Lawn Fawn. And I think that's really, really cute. And it's just fun to do some different, techniques with that stencil. So that was kind of different and fun to do. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. These are projects that I made. This is Cindy, Crane at the Heart.